did you get?
What is this? Where did this come from?
Oh, yeah.
What is that, Connor?
That for
Oh.
Connor?
It's just toys for everybody.
Are there toys for me?
Oh, well, I'm put all my football helmet and play football.
Hi, Con. Oh, you have Bunny. He's overwhelmed. Oh, look.
Ethan, look at us.
Oh.
That's the sun.
Look at mommy.
Put it back.
Sun.
Here, we'll unstrap it. Put it back on for a second.
Okay.
Does it fit?
Just about.
Wow.
That's how we strap it
We'll
on.
fix it later.
Smile.
Smile,
Oh.
Eth. Smile.
Connor.
Okay. Smile.
So, but how to tighten it up?
Oh, we'll tighten it up for you. Don't worry.
There's so many. You're overwhelmed.
Ethan, what is this?
What is this? What is that? Buzz Lightyear.
Is that a rocket?
It looks like a rocket ship.
rocket.
And then what's this?
I don't know.